Life can change in an instant. One day, I'm hiking my favorite trail, feeling on top of the world. The next, I couldn't take a single step without pain. Suddenly, simple things like stepping into my camper or enjoying my favorite camping activities became almost impossible. Before I knew it, I was having hip replacement surgery. Hip surgery? I mean, seriously, how did this happen? Being stuck on my couch during recovery gave me a lot of time to think. One thought kept creeping in. If something like this could happen so suddenly, what's the next big thing that could come out of nowhere and stop me from doing the things that I love? So tell me, does this scary realization resonate with you too? Thank goodness my wake-up call was just a hip replacement. And now, slowly but surely, I'm starting to walk again without pain. But it made me realize something important that I think is also important to share with you. We can't wait for life to give us permission. We have to seize the time that we have right now, or risk out missing on some of life's most precious moments, especially during our golden years. I've owned my camper for 6 years now, and it's kind of crazy to me how owning a camper has completely changed my life in ways I could never have expected. It's given me a chance to feel grateful and blessed, but more importantly, especially as I get older, makes me feel younger and just more alive. For me, there's nothing better than discovering a breathtaking waterfall, sharing stories around a crackling fire, or explore a place I've never been before. Some of my favorite places, like the Upper Peninsula of Michigan along Lake Superior, or the Badlands in South Dakota, would never have been possible if I didn't own an RV. I mean, can you imagine falling asleep to the sound of waves or waking up to a bighorn sheep strolling by? That's when the magic happens. That's why I'm thinking if you're watching this video, the idea of RV camping has crossed your mind one way or another. But let me ask you this. How many times have you told yourself, I'll do it when the time is right, or I'll do it when I feel more confident, or are you sure you're not gonna mess up by making a wrong decision? Let me know, does that sound familiar? Because here's the thing, I get it, because I've been in your place. When my hubby and I first started thinking about buying our first camper trailer, I was completely overwhelmed. What kind of camper should we get? Would we even enjoy it? Could we handle towing it? We had no experience, no plan, and honestly, I was a little concerned. But I'll let you in on a secret. Indecision, it's just fear in disguise. And it whispers, what if it's not the right time? What if you fail? What if people think you're crazy? Yep, and this happened to us. All three of my daughters thought we had lost our minds because when they were growing up, we had never been outdoorsy people. But you know what? We figured it out. And so can you. Okay, how do you start? Let me share 4 simple steps to help you make your RV camping dream a reality. Number 1, start small. Choose a small camper. It's easier to handle, it's less intimidating, and perfect for creating those special memories without the stress. You don't need a giant motorhome to enjoy camping. Small campers are cozy, manageable, and often have all the essentials. A bed, a kitchen, and yes, even a bathroom. Many people who start with bigger RVs eventually decide to go small because they're simpler and more fun. Number 2, do some research and make it fun. Watch YouTube videos, visit RV dealerships, and attend RV shows. There's nothing like stepping inside a camper to see, does it have enough windows? Is the bed comfortable? Is there enough storage for your gear? Spend time in it and imagine yourself camping. Number 3, dip your toes in. Not ready to commit? Try renting a camper for the weekend. Sites like Outdoorsy and RV Share make it easy. And it's a great way to test the waters without making a big commitment. Number 4, think about why you're doing it. Ask yourself, why do you want to start RV camping? For me, it was about feeling closer to my mom after she passed away. For you, it might be making the most of retirement, finding adventure, or simply creating memories with a loved one. Knowing your why will keep you motivated even when things get tough. You don't have to have all the answers, you just need to start. So tell me, what's the one thing that you can start today so you too can experience some of these life-changing memories? Let me know.